Hi everyone, welcome to the Active 2.0 support video series. My name is Raul with Active Products, and today we're going to be diving in on how to troubleshoot your Active 2.0. In today's video, we'll look at how you can replace the microswitch on the Active 2.0 pressure washer pump. The main symptom of failure of the microswitch is when the unit does not shut off as a result of releasing the trigger. When this takes place, the pressure washer microswitch needs to be replaced. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, wire cutting pliers, and the replacement microswitch. Step 1. Take the Phillips screwdriver and remove 9 screws on the pump body of the pressure washer. Keep the screws in a secure place for reinstallation. Step 2. Remove the plastic casing from the pressure washer and set it aside for reinstallation. Step 3. Locate 2 screws holding down the switch box and loosen to remove the pump and motor construction. Step 4. Use a small flathead screwdriver to open the covering of the main switch box and access the terminals. Step 5. Remove the 3 plastic covered terminals from the on-off switch. Step 6. Locate the U-clip on the side of the pump construction and remove the U-clip to release the microswitch from the pump. Step 7. Remove the black and white wires from the white terminal head as demonstrated. Step 8. Now you're left with 2 exposed wires and a blue wire. Take the replacement microswitch and connect the wires as demonstrated. Step 9. Insert the microswitch casing into the pump and reinstall the U-clip. Step 10. Install the terminals back into the on-off switch box as demonstrated. Step 11. Place the power switch back in place and use the 2 screws to fasten it. Step 12. Place the pump and motor body back into the casing and adjust the microswitch support and power cord support as demonstrated. Step 13. Place the plastic cover over the motor and secure it in its place. Step 14. Use the Phillips head screwdriver and the 9 screws to fasten the casing back in its place. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you need any further assistance with your Active 2.0, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@activeproducts.com. We'd love to help you. Hope you all have a great day and see you in the next video.